Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. How's it going? Congrats, Lemon Square, for the fry win. I slacked off enough to get a fry, exactly. You die, you fry. Did you die? You did. You died, you fried. Thanks so much, Kai. Welcome. And hey, Scorpio. Thank you so much. 32 months. Thank you so much. Hey, Zap. Welcome, welcome. We're going to play Kirby today. In fact, you know, what I always say is I try to see if the battery works. This one has no battery because it has no way to save. So we're just going to try and play the whole thing today. You played that South Park game. That South Park game was something else. Neil thought it was hilarious that I was kind of embarrassed about it. So it's because I don't oh, okay. Nice. Thank you. I didn't see it. I was busy. So today, our youngest daughter graduated from high school. So we've been pretty busy today. So it's been a whirlwind day today. And so yeah, it's been crazy.
I mean, what I think it's funny is that this game is actually sort of adult, and usually you play those kiddie games.
Right. Exactly. We're playing Kirby's Dream Land. Nothing like it. Yeah, she missed Lemmy Wings. Lemmy Wings! Yes, and happy birthday to Evil Bud.
And the Frog Prince.
Yeah, happy birthday. Yeah, exactly. I kept thinking that playing back at it. I was like, oh my god. There was testicles flying at my character. We were going up Mr. Slave's butt. There was all kinds of really crazy things going on. Oh, you're back from your cross. I hope it went well. Just in time for the game. No, it's okay, Kai. It's crazy. Yeah, everyone wish Evil Bud a happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, Bud. Yeah, well, I mean, it was the first time I truly enjoyed myself through all of a game.
Yeah. Well, you know, I will give it props that you didn't really have to grind that much in that game. You could just kind of play the story and get all the way through the story. Now, I did do some side quests. I did, like you don't have to kill Al Gore or Man Bear Pig and do all of that. Those were all side quests. I did not have to do that, but I did. And that's kind of my philosophy on these things is I don't like seek out every side quest, but if I run into it, I do it, right? Grinding wasn't necessary.
Well, I mean, he didn't put the
I didn't put the bomb in
the nuclear weapon inside of Mr.
I did not do that. It was the government, the Taco Bell workers.
Although I thought it was hilarious that to disarm it, we had to give it an abortion.
Yeah. Well, it was something else.
It's like they trained you to do that earlier.
Exactly. Oh, man. All right. Well, how about we play some Kirby Dream Land? As always, we can take a break and play a game like, oh my goodness, it's on the Nintendo 64. It is Killer Instinct. It's not, or Kia. It's Killer Instinct. Does not have to be Killer Instinct. It could be any of the games on this arcade list. And if I beat the high score, I'll put your name on the high score list. I say Kia because I always think the new Kia logo looks like Killer Instinct. And tell me it doesn't. It totally does. All right. Let's play. I mean, it's so busy. I still have the PS3 here. Usually I try and get that switched out, and I didn't have any time today. I don't know. I think there's only like 5 stages or something like that. Oh wait, this is what am I doing? This is Kirby. There we go. It did flame baguette. It was well, I mean, kind of. The school told us to go into the wrong parking garage. And so they told the whole school and all their parents to go into one parking garage. So guess what? It got full. And so, yeah, you do. You suck things in Kirby. Hey, can I fly here? How do I fly? Okay, I just go up. This is also me. And it's funny because I did read the instruction. It's funny seeing some of the things I've seen in Kirby games before. Like him riding on the little star. Oh, is this a boss? Seems like a boss. Oops. Wait a second. Oh, I guess it wasn't a real boss. Pseudo boss, yeah. It was a boss light. Okay. Oh, look at that! It's so cute. Look at that thing. It's dead. I can eat these. Hey, pass. What happens if you don't go in? Oh. Like you have to go in. Oh, I can... Oh. It's hard to see where I should be going. Oh, I must not be able to fly. I see. I can't fly if I've swallowed something, I guess. I'm still trying to learn the... What is that? I don't even know what that was. Did I get an extra thing? That was close. Hey, what if I go down? Oh, I guess he sucks up air? I see. Yeah. Yeah, that's how he's flying, is by sucking up air. Oh, wait. Oh, there's the door. Duh. Uh-oh. This sounds boss. Oh, yeah. Yes! One left. One life left. Oh, I made the tree cry, though. Oh. Oh, it even does this! It does the little dance. Castle lo 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 lo. Alright, hold on. It didn't give me a chance to take a drink of Diet Coke. Just for the taste of it. The tree was bleeding. Maybe. I'm just gonna go. Oh my. Is that a microphone? What was that? So far it has been. Alright, well, what's this? Oh wait, that's a door. That face is creepy. Is this? Yeah, I must not be able to suck those out.
It's definitely.
It's what?
I said it's definitely.
Oh, I see. It's one of those. Oh. Like what? I keep wanting to, like, hit those question mark blocks. Uh-oh. It's the Bugos.
I didn't know they had the Bugos.
Well, they're not quite Bugos. They're kind of Bugos. What is the dinner? Oh, it kills everything on the screen, probably. Oh, I see. Or I don't see. Oh, I can just come over here? Oh, I thought that was a wall I couldn't go back. I hate that when you can't tell between... That's a wall. That's a wall. That face. Oh! Guess that's wrong door. Oh, I can't eat those. Why can't I seem to get him? Oh my god, down to 1. Oh, I guess I gotta go down. Okay, I see what I gotta do. Like that. Gotta know the music. Oh no! Oh, can I go up? Oh, I can't do that. Alright, killed that one. I did it. Float Islands. Wait. Where do I get Kirby's? This seems very light on Kirby's. I'm just gonna avoid that. They are around? Okay. I don't like those spikes. What are those? Frightening. Oh, that's close. There we go. Okay, here's a door. Get one. Oh man. I thought I was like invincible. I am not invincible. Right, there we go. One up. Just in time too, because I almost died. Hopefully I get Oh. Oh, did I land in the whale? Oh, fuck. All of a sudden you're with the boss battle. It's like, what? Alright, what? Alright, we need to look up the... What does this leaf do? Do we need to look up the manual? I thought I looked it up. Kirby's Dreamland Manual. Thanks. What is the leaf? Leaf. Mince leaf. If I grab this big mint leaf, I can shoot a rapid stream of air pellets. This will definitely come in handy if there's a lot of enemies on the screen. All right, so that's basically for that boss. Okay. Oh, fuck. Why am I not doing any damage? Oh, that was close. It's fun because I do know a little bit of Kirby. Mainly, I've played a little bit of it. Neil's played a little bit of it. And so it's fun seeing some of those kind of things that are in Kirby games be in the first one, in the first Kirby game. And that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Because this is a very simple game. Like the little dancing. Oh, and I died. That was the end of the... That was the edge. That was the edge of the world.
This is definitely harder without color.
Without color? Well, you know, color was at a premium. Oh, fuck. Come on. I don't like how that's off screen. Oh, that was totally there for a reason. Hey, Gamer's Tale, how's it going? You can't kill those. Oh, fuck. Waiting for me. It's a simple game. And I died. I did it again. Holy shit, I'm gonna die. Was that it? Oh, no, one last Kirby. All of a sudden the difficulty on Kirby ranked. Like, you're gonna call me a simple game? Fuck you. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Listen, they're exploding. Things don't explode in Kirby's mouth. All right, do a death.
Usually not. Usually.
Yeah. Usually he can eat anything. He's Kirby.
He's got like An iron constitution.
Yeah. All right, there we go. First death. That's not working. There it goes. It was delayed. All right, we're going to continue. The finger is like, go. Yeah, it's like you can't eat those or something. I don't know what's up. What? I don't even know what happened there. All right. Suck those things up like Kirby does. Stab. Hope you have a good dinner. Alright, they're just gonna go high. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is just suck air. What the cannon has an umbrella? Yeah, I guess that's true. You want to chew your food. You don't want to just inhale it like Kirby does. Oh, spikes. Being very cautious. I don't know how far it's going to take me back. Like being cautious. Ah! Fuck. Hopefully it only takes me back to that door. Okay, yeah, that's where we came in. Oh, am I? Yeah. Yes. It's us. Dropping frames, dropping frames. It's coming back. It's like 43. So we're dropping frames. My IT specialist is looking at it.
I don't think it's your computer.
I think it's my computer?
No, I said I don't.
Oh. No, it's not my computer.
The internet has been
funky. The internet sucks. Uh-oh. Fuck.
Yeah. Internet's going nuts. It's like going up to 1 megabit and down to 55 kilobit. Up to 506.
Yeah. Yeah, the internet's like, I want to suck too.
I almost think we need to
Reboot the router. Well, we'll have to do it after the stream. So.
Well, I don't know how much stream you're gonna have because I can't even get the page to load.
Yeah, it is all over the place. I mean, we can pause it and come back if you would like.
I mean, I'm just thinking like there's nothing I can do other than start rebooting things.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I can pause it right here, and we can we'll take a real break, not a Fry's Quest break, and reboot our router and come back. I think we're gonna have to.
Yeah.
It's like at 0 right now.
Like I'm not even sure.
But we would just reset the router and keep going. So we're back. Oh, look at that. My chat isn't working. Hold on. See if we can reset this. Hey, it says J Fry's online. All right. There we go. All right. There you go. So sad the lag. We'll refresh and see if that helps. Because I am now fully connected. We are good to go. So you might hit refresh Iowa and see if that helps.
We reset both the modem and the router.
Yeah, we reset everything. Right now I haven't dropped. Oh my goodness. Knock on wood. Ah, yes. And it's starting to go down. It's still unstable. It's not as bad as it was earlier, but we did just drop a few frames right as I said it. So,
well, you know, I mean, of course that's what's.
Yeah, I mean it happens. So let's just I figured, you know, usually I take a break. Well, it was a little early for a break, but I take a break around now, and so I figured we just keep going on Kirby. Okay, I think I was going down here. Oh, that was tricky. Did you see that? Did you see what they just tried to do? Kind of evil, honestly. Need to find. Oh. Wait, hold on. What does this little plate of food do? What is that?
Is it for health?
No, let's see.
Because because in the it's newer Kirby games they give you food.
It's spicy food. When I eat this big plate of hot and spicy food, I can attack enemies with fire pellets. However, keep me out of water, or I'll douse this weapon sooner than you may want to. All right, so there we go. Going up? This thing again. Oh my.
Rolling eye.
Yeah, it's pretty creepy. It should drop something. Ah. Ah, got me. No one wants pink eye? Oh, fuck. Fuck. Boom, that's how you do it. That is how you do it. That is how you do it. Yeah, there you go, Dark Passenger.
When you get the 3 Kirby's dancing,
yeah,
do you think that's really just one Kirby and it's duplicated?
And it's duplicated?
Or do you think they did it some other way?
Oh, you mean like well, I mean,
they were all dancing together. So.
Yeah, I mean, back then it doesn't really matter. I mean, you could just have 3 on the screen and do it on this hardware. That wasn't too hard of a thing to do. I see. These are all the bosses I've defeated.
Oh.
Is this like a boss run? Do I have... Oh shit. That's exactly what it looks like.
But you have to pick one?
Have I just... What was that? Why was there a Kirby there? Hey, CV! How's it going? Welcome. How's it going, CB? It's a Blue Bear raid. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's it going? How was... Neil's doing the shout out. Link to the Past. How was Link to the Past? I am. I'm playing the first Kirby right now. Kirby Dream Land on the Game Boy. Well, I hope your stream went well. I'm Jay Fries. For those of you who don't know, I know CB knows. Just finished Link to the Past. Congrats. Yeah, you do have to time travel a lot. That's why it's called Link to the Past. Well, so I played at one point, I played all the Legend of Zelda games, and so I'm starting all of the Kirby games. And so that's what I'm currently doing. We're going to be playing Final Fantasy VI, and then Kirby's Adventure on the NES, and then Assassin's Creed. So, oh, you had to use the rewind. I see. I don't remember. I remember playing that on the Switch. I don't remember if I used the rewind or not. I will admit I have used the rewind, especially like on Zelda 2. Zelda 2, I got so frustrated playing it that I
quit it for a while.
I quit it. And then I came back to it and beat it later. And I used the rewind. Totally used the rewind. But yeah. It was yes, Zelda 2 is terrible. Or it's hard. I'll just say it's hard. It's hard. But yeah, welcome everybody. CB, is it okay if I play a clip from your channel? It seems like I'm going through and redoing all the bosses I've already beat, so it's kind of weird. So this is why kids own Game Genies. It's so true. It's so true. All right, here's a clip from CB Blackwell. Y'all should go give him a follow. Oh, Kingdom Hearts.
Didn't you know? Here a maze is a maze of mazes. Isn't that amazing? He's gone. Not quite. I have one more quick whip. If 4 switches you trip, the new shadow unzips. A new shadow, is it? Oh gosh.
Zip.
Let's check the maze for those switches, Roxas. Right.
So I played 358 over 2. I Kingdom Hearts is so confusing. All right, let's keep playing some Kirby. Well, thanks again, CB, for the raid. You're going to be starting Kingdom Hearts 2. Well, cool. Oh, thank you, Justin. Thank you so much, Justin. How many months? 39 months. And it's Hey J Fries. Well, we're through Stick of Truth, Justin, so you can come back.
Did he avoid it?
I don't know if you were avoiding it or if it was just coincidence. I don't know. It had so much evolution in it. His parents told him to like you joined an error. Oh, okay. I see. Thanks again, Justin. And thanks again, CB Blackwell, for the raid. Alright. Alright, I'm trying not to get hit. So you have to kind of do that. Oh, I didn't think about doing this. Okay. I'm almost dead.
Justin.
Ah, crap.
Justin.
You're not a South Park fan. Okay, I get it. You're crazy busy. I understand.
I'm glad your relationship's...
You kind of cut out near the end, Neil.
I said I'm glad your relationship is going well, Justin.
I think what I have to do is I have to this is basically a boss run. I have to defeat all of the old bosses and then I do the final boss. That's what it looks like. I'm glad you're glad. You're glad. No, seriously, Justin, we are happy for you.
I mean, everybody deserves somebody.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, Jason got me.
He was apologizing. Well, today was a really it was a rough day. Well, I mentioned it at the top of the stream, but I'll repeat it again. So the school told us all to go to one, the whole town we live in, to go to one. Like, how many kids were graduating tonight? 400, 577 kids. Well, and their parents, all to go to one parking garage on the campus of University of Central Florida. And guess what? The parking garage filled up. Instead, what UCF wanted us to do was to go to multiple parking garages. And so it was a cluster, basically. And so
now I will.
And so Neil got a little frustrated.
I will say it was more screwed up than he just described.
Yeah, it was kind of
It was
annoying.
multiple levels of bad. It was just bad.
It was pretty bad.
I mean, the actual graduation itself was nice. We were 10 minutes late to it because it took us 45 minutes.
We left an hour before the graduation started, and we live 20 minutes away. Anyway, hey, NATO Fat, how's it going? All right. Let's, anyway, I just want to kind of convey that, and thank you, Neil, for all that you do.
Whatever that is.
Whatever you do. Whatever you happen to do here. No, you help the family quite a bit. What, do I have to go down? Seems dangerous.
You in danger, girl.
You are in danger, girl. What am I supposed to do there? Oh.
That's one of those spiky things. I guess you go over it.
No, I had to hit the Kirby, and the Kirby unlocked it.
Oh. Sure.
Oh, okay, I remember this now. Okay, I remember this now.
Swiss Cheese Mountain. Oh, it's the tree.
Yeah, I decided to go in difficulty order.
I've fought the tree in newer games. Always freaked me
The
out.
tree is always is a Kirby thing?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's not...
See,
weird.
this is close. I don't remember which one I did next. I think it was this one. Oh, there you go. I died. I did not. The screen is pretty flickery. Yeah, it's because of the way I
Is it?
capture this. Yeah, it's the flicker of the capture. Yeah, I have no way of controlling it. Let's see if there's any controls on this. Hold on. I don't know if that did anything. Does that seem any better? It looks a little better, doesn't it? Yes, thanks for doing the death. You have yet to finish a Kirby game. Yeah, this is the first one on the Game Boy.
I mean, it's just, to me, it looks like just bad interpolation.
Yeah, it's really bad on my monitor. I can see it, like, along these edges. So,
but
what I need to do, Neil, is I need to buy another GameCube that actually has the digital out. I think that would really help.
I wonder if we can hack that.
If we could what? Hack it? Is that what you said? Anyway. Alright, we're going to continue. He's going to poke the sleeping Kirby and say, get to work. Alright, so it looks like I have to go back and do all of them again. It is the interlaced, it is not progressive. That is exactly it, right? You were seeing the interlace flicker.
Wait, don't you have component on that?
I have a little device. It's called the Rad X2, and it converts it, upscales it to HDMI. But it's not perfect. What would be perfect is if I had a digital out. There's two types of NTSC GameCubes out there. One that has digital out, one that doesn't. And this one does not. Over.
Well, I guess go find one.
Yeah, I mean,
Sorry, I got you the wrong
No,
one.
you stop it.
I hope your next better.
Yeah. Are they expensive? That's what I'd be afraid of. Yeah, you know what? I had one. That's what's sad. God, what am I doing? Oh my God. Why won't it shoot? Man. You're using the digital out with, okay. Digital GameCube with, okay. All right. Yeah, you can also get a PAL GameCube, which is inherently digital as well.
Yeah, but then you would have to somehow region decode it.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think we want to do that. Oh, why doesn't it help you by I don't like that it didn't help you by re-energizing you. Killed that one. Down to 1. Wonderful. All right, 2 bosses down. Am I going down here?
So is that the cost-reduced version of the GameCube then?
Is it the what? Oh. It's
Is that a DOL 101 instead of DOL 001?
I don't know the difference between the two, Neil.
The original one had
Digital out?
both analog and digital video outs.
I see.
On the bottom, closer to the rear, is a high-speed port. And then later they did a cost-reduced version. The digital AV out port removed, which is strange.
Okay. It was tough when I only had 1 health left. Oh, come on! That sucked. This is gonna be tough. Wow. It's like we're gonna ramp up the difficulty of this game. Okay. Somehow I didn't. I feel like it should, you know, you're getting that Kirby. I feel like it should give you a Kirby there. That one when it shoots the triple is pretty hard. Alright, one more boss to go.
You want violet, silver, orange, black.
Well, how much is it?
$85.
Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all.
Oh wait.
What were my choices?
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, it says it's a Japanese one, but they're changing the.
But it's Japanese, but what?
They're changing the region.
Oh, okay. So it plays US games. Can it support a Game Boy player? Which would be a requirement.
It doesn't really say. But what they show on the bottom has the port.
Okay.
High speed.
Yeah.
I don't think it has.
Okay, so I guess I was supposed to get... Oh, I can just go over here. Okay. It's the pink eye again. Original hardware, Justin. It's called fun collecting things.
Well, I think people are too over the top about the way shit looks. I mean, none of this was perfect.
Yeah! Whew. Banned for the dirty word. Oh no. Oh, I see. Oh shit, he has a lot of health. Doesn't seem very fair. Oh fuck. Fuck!
See, what I wonder is, did they just take the port out, but the chips inside are the same, so it still has the output somewhere, but just not the outside?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Is like maybe you can mod it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out this boss.
Like sometimes people do that with an old TV. It actually has RGB on it, so you can put component on it.
Yeah.
But you have to, directly connect to the chip that controls the TV. Well, this is just another way that Nintendo is fucking terrible. And I know that may be blasphemy in this channel, but I mean, the idea that they would make these stupid proprietary ports on this thing. I mean, it doesn't make any sense that you can't get component video out of a analog port. It's fucking analog standard.
Fuck. I was doing so well.
Also, evidently, the laser in the disk drive may not last as long if this is the one that doesn't have that.
Ah, so close. Does that mean I have to start all over again? Well, at least I know more about that boss now. If it's nice, it'll put me at the final boss. Yes! It's nice! It's nice! Thank you. Thank you, Kirby gods. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it really... I mean, TVs really didn't support it too much back then either. I wonder if I can hit him.
Well, I mean, maybe none of it was standard in 2001, but they've been known for being more proprietary than Apple.
Yeah.
Since the mid-90s. I mean, they couldn't deal with just having, you know, all the software locked up being published through them, and I mean, they didn't make the Wii HD. Why didn't they do that?
That's true, they didn't. I wonder why they didn't do that. Although I guess when the Wii was coming out, I mean, the Wii was like one of their most successful things. It's because they got a really wide. I mean, they had old people buying a Wii. The Wii U. The Wii U.
I mean, no. The Wii was cool. The Wii U was dorky. It's like the lame sister of the Wii.
There must be something I need to do here.
They just charted it up and said, oh, you can have HD now, but you have to deal with this clunky screen controller thing.
I don't know what to do. I mean, I know what to do if he hits it right. Do that. Oh, I have a Wii U. I have a Wii U as well, and I loved it.
Yeah, because you were one of the... Well, we now know 2 of the 5 people who bought the Wii U.
I mean, I know 2 hits to do. Like here, I can suck up the star and hit him. But he doesn't always do that move. See, and then he gets too close to me and he's gonna hit me. Okay, here we go. Come on, jump. Maybe I should try staying in the middle. Crap. All right, down to 1. There he goes. Yeah! I like how he went off into space. Oh my goodness, Kirby! What are you doing?
He's going up, up, and away with his
He's
beautiful
going up,
balloon.
up, and away. There we go. Kirby Dreamland.
Wow, that was quick.
Well, remember we looked it up and it said it was like a 45-minute game. It was a cute little game. Yeah. Yeah, what was that? Well, it was an hour, an hour and 11 minutes, so yeah. Oh yeah, if you paid for this and then it was only like a few minutes, that would be, yeah. When did this come out?
Didn't
92. So I mean it's
Didn't you
it's
pay
pretty
for
old.
this though?
Do what?
Didn't you pay for this though?
I meant what Arcade Bear is saying when he was a kid
Oh yeah.
in 92. I was gonna say we didn't know better.
I mean, at the time, any Game Boy game was you were probably happy to have it.
Right. Exactly.
You know, when you ran out of this, you could just go back to Tetris.
Press up A and select on the title screen to start a new adventure. Good luck. I think it unlocks a new game or something. Yeah, I don't remember what the extra game is. Non-rechargeable batteries is a good one. All right. Press up A and select. Up A. Select on the title screen to start a new. Oh, is it just? Oh, it must be. It's just telling you the that what to do. It's a hidden game. Not that it unlocked it. It's hidden. It's hidden.
Are you sure? It's hidden? It's hidden?
Extra game. Yeah, is it just harder? Oh, okay. In the extra game, the player must press... Yeah. Yeah. And the bosses gain dangerous new attacks. Okay, well, I guess we could play that. Maybe it was like another case of these Americans, this game's too hard for these Americans, so we have to make it easier.
This was a game for kids.
Oh, I thought that, see, that looked like that was like an eclair or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I thought you could eat all that stuff.
Yeah, it looked like you could eat it.
Maybe you have to suck it in.
I was trying to suck it in. Yeah, I sucked it in there, but not the things it was shooting.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're riding the star. That's a Kirby thing.
Yeah. Asshole. He needs to stop. He needs to stop.
Yeah, you can't suck in the things it's shooting. This thing is so cute. I don't want to suck it in.
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
it is. You have to. Uh-oh.
I died. Oh my goodness.
Interesting.
What is this? It looks like a pair of nuts. Maybe I've been playing Stick of Truth too much.
Are they schmooze?
Yeah, there must be little schmooze.
Well, I mean, I don't think schmooze are a thing in
Oh, that's right, in Kirby.
Kirby. Are they the liver? I mean, the kidney?
When
Maybe?
you tell me.
I don't know. I've never seen those.
I mean, I guess I could look at the, I don't think it lists all the bad guys in the manual.
Wesley and the Sex Plant.
Kidney beans? Maybe? Kirby game in between all the RPGs. Yeah, that's true. We're about to play Final Fantasy VI. Fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. It's like it's gone from a cute little fun game to suicidal.
I mean, you could just move on to fantasy. You have seen the credits after all. So much for that fun little game between RPGs.
They must have seen potential in the little character. The character is definitely cute, and it's unique that you like suck things up and they expanded on it. But you're right. Considering this is like a little game, it is kind of amazing that they did that. Yeah, no, I'm gonna end it right here. Let's shall we play some Fry's Quest and then I'll get Final Fantasy set up? I haven't tested Final Fantasy at all, so
it's an adventure.
This is an adventure because I didn't have enough time today to really set things up, so this will be kind of a crazy thing. Yeah. No, it was fun. It's a fun little game. All right, let's play some Fry's Quest.
a lot of it was
Ready, let's
was
go. This sword
was new is blind playthrough for me.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Are you gonna buy me a GameCube? Is that what you're looking at?
No, I'm gonna let you find.
All right.
The problem is like I don't want to think I found something and it be like some Japanese one and not work.
And not work, yeah.
Then you're like, no, it doesn't work. I'm like, you've got a working GameCube. What you do? Had the stupid port you wanted.
Right.
Ready for battle.
It's not my fault that they went in the mid 2000s and ruined television.
Yeah, Neil was a fan of the
I was
of
a fan.
analog.
I was a fan of the fact that television
Got it, Justin. I thought that's what you meant.
stayed like the same for years and years and years. And like if you had one television, they all worked. And you know, it doesn't help that when they made the digital television standard, they made it so the sound stops if the signal is poor. At least with analog television, if the video went screw, you could still listen to it.
Or if there were like adult channels, you could still kind of make out the
Yes,
what
there
was
was
going on through the little wavy line.
there was that too. And I mean, and you know, none of this HD is really that great if it can't handle confetti on screen.
Get to watch me set up stuff.
Yes, usually this just happens.
Yeah, usually this happens between streams. I actually thought we would go longer.
Yeah, usually you would have had. Oh. I'm surprised.
You know how busy we've been last few days.
Yes, I do.
Okay. That's cool, Kai.
Totally bizarre to me that there are like 6 different sets of notes.
I gotta sit down. I try to keep my cables organized with these eye wraps.
They should just do with these games like what they did with the Beatles catalog and, you know, standardize it to one thing. And
welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for action.